Hi friends, I am Anita. My channel mainly focuses on how freelance platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork earn money. If you like my channel, please subscribe me now. Today I will show you how to become seller in Fiverr in 2024. Does it has any difference from previous years? Let us check now. When you come to the seller page, you can first take a look at the short video of Fiverr, as it often updates and changes, so you can learn first. Then click continue to enter personal information. Here you just fill in your own information. It must be true and consistent with your bank or payment information. Attention should be paid to uploading real person avatars for official occasions and clothes. Cartoon or pet avatars may be rejected by Fiverr, as this is a work platform, not an entertainment platform. Professional avatars can be finished by AI tools. Then fill in description. It mainly lets buyer know what kind of job or service of your gig is about. If you don't have ideas, you can use chat helping you, and fill in your language which you are good at. Then occupation, you can choose it from the drop down menu. Then you fill in the rest of the content truthfully. Finally, verify your email and phone number. You can become a seller and publish your gig. In the next video, I will share the differences between the 2024 Fiverr and the previous ones. Please remember to subscribe to me. You won't miss any courses. See you in the next video. I hope you can earn more money in 2024.